Hey, this is Joe. Hey, just wanted to show you real quick. So the face on the drawers here, on the cabinets, there is a, see if you can see it. So there's multiple layers of wood on ours to connect the face to the actual drawer. So the drawer, there's a piece of wood, and then there's the actual face of the drawer. In ours, I was going to replace the poles just to a little different style. And when I took off the handle, the whole face came off, which is what this panel is here. So this is the front of it. The back side has the magnet here with the holes, and it was just held on with some staples that they just shot in on both ends. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm using a needle nose pliers and pulling all these staples out. So I already did this side, so I just need to do the other side. And then I'm gonna lay the face back on the front of this, put the new pole in, so then it pulls it tight and lines up with the two holes that are already drilled in here. Make sure this is all cleaned up, and then tighten on those poles so it holds the face. And then I'm gonna flip this over, so then the face will be on the ground and this will be on top of that. And then I'm gonna drill a couple holes, probably like 4 holes in it, and then get some screws that will go through the thickness of the cabinet drawer, the additional piece of wood that actually from this video looks like cardboard, but it's actually another piece of thin wood, and then that goes into the actual face of the drawer. That way I don't have this in the future, so they don't come apart. So I'm just basically just adding screws instead of doing the staples to strengthen up the drawer a little bit, so then that way the face of the drawer doesn't come off. If anybody else runs into this or has seen this in the past, just curious what you guys did. What I'm going to do is just, like I said, put some screws in it to hold it together. I'll probably end up doing that to the other drawers as well, especially as time goes on, because it seems like these staples that they shoot in there don't seem to hold very well. And if you look, I mean, they're not even they're barely sticking out, not even a quarter of an inch. I mean, it's less than a quarter of an inch that the staple is actually sticking out that's supposed to be holding into that wood face plate. So there's not a whole lot for it to hold on to. And then, as you know, I mean, this is an RV, so bouncing down the road, it's gonna rattle loose, and the only thing that holding it is just that pole handle, which looks like this. That's the only thing that's holding that faceplate on the whole drawer. So just curious if anybody else did anything different, if they ended up gluing it or something like that. But for now, I'm just gonna run some screws through it to hold it together. And yeah, we'll go from there. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll catch you next time.